Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Select those lines, go to Edit, copy and paste in front. Now hold Shift and rotate. Now select those lines, go to Rotate tool, rotate angle minus 30 degree, preview it, then OK. Now select those lines and select this lines and go to reflect tool, angle 90 degree vertical, then copy. Select those lines, go to edit, copy and paste in front. Hold shift, and adjust this line. Now select all and take shape builder tool. None this stock color, pick up the fill color, draw your design perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.